Bayfield Centre or Te Rōpū Whaikaha are all about the inclusive culture that embraces all of their people, giving an opportunity to express themselves and with their unique inner strengths as a team. They want to acknowledge the passion of Whaia Cindy, Te Rōpū Whaikaha and the whānau who help to highlight the talents and the students to motivate them to reach their potential. E te iwi, put your hands together for Te Rōpū Whaikaha!
Poi karite, poi kamu.
Ereri tak poi toru wha.
Ereri tak poi, ereri tak poi, kiaro. Ereri tak poi, ereri tak poi, kiaro. Kiaro. Ereri runga, ereri.
Makere. Erere. Makere. Makere. Harimai toru pa. Kironga. Toi toru pa.
Awesome. Paki mai ana. Keep it close.
What a group.
What a great way to start. What a great way to start our evening this evening.
Rōpū Whaikaha. That's awesome. You know what? I'm bringing out some of the classics. You know the one I love. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Okay, cool. I give you permission to say "Owe" when you hear the song. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Awesome. Oh, you
like singing the whole song, eh? I feel like singing my jam, eh?
Hey, bringing tonga. All right. Also, because we're not just doing, you know, we're doing kapahaka. We are bringing the vibes from Aotearoa, but we're also bringing the vibes from the Pacific. So, what do we do in the Pacific? When I say "hey, hey," you say? Let's give that a try. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Do you know the you know when you say the tutoro mai? Can you do the, what do you say after that? Show.
Yeah, the front here. Put auntie down here.
Yeah. Can you do that again? What are you doing? Show. Okay, ready?
I used to
Hey,
do that.
hey. Tutoro mai. Yeah. I can't. You know what? Now that I'm a grown man, I can't get that high anymore.
You can't hit those high notes.
I've lost my chihu. Anyway, today we've got, today we're already into the night. We're giving away some prizes tonight, and we've got our broadcaster roaming the audience at the moment. Actually, I've lost who you are. Oh, here he goes. There he goes. We've got Patrick out in the crowd. We've got a couple of giveaways to give away. We've got a couple of giveaways to give away. We've got a portai, a hat that I put on my head just loosely so we don't give kutus away. And the next one is this book, this puka, Māori at Home. So Māori at Home, written by Scotty Morrison and Stacey Morrison, was gifted by the Ministry of Education. They've got a stand out in the village where you can take some selfies. And this portai, this beautiful portai, comes in a few different colours. Was gifted by Tokomairiro High, trying to bring 1,000 speakers of Waikato dialect in Waikato homes. So, okay, I gave a couple of factoids before, so you're going to have to put your hand up so my friend over here, Patrick, can see you. Alright, first question to win, what are we winning? We're going to win the hat. We're going to win the hat. No kutus. Okay, how many years has Otago Polyfest been running? 100! You weren't listening? I have.
Hey, I actually saw this year go up first.
Nice.
So, what was the part-time again?
How many years has the Otago Polyfest been running? Yeah!
Omate Paki.
Yeah, that's awesome. All right, I reckon we have to try and find some people at the back for the next one. Okay, next factoid. I said there were so many thousands of performers coming up on the stage this year. I think that was factoid number 2.
That's right.
Okay, how many thousands of people or performers are going to be gracing the stage at the 2025 Otago Polyfest? Oh, I can't help but not see that little hand just raised up. You go.
Patrick's going deep, he's going up the top there.
Hey, is that right hand?
So we're going to go up here. What was your answer there, Eva? 11,000?
Yeah, buddy. All right, awesome. We've got a pretty full program this evening. We've got the village going, so make sure if you are heading out that way, check out the village. I saw they got beautiful kai this year. But also, the program that we have on tonight, we have Musselburgh School. We have
Give it up.
Columba College. We have Tahuna. Hey, my daughter's in that one. The oldest here. South Otago High
Otago
School.
making a debut.
We've got Tokomairiro. We've got 2 Columba groups. Oh, yeah. And we've got 2 Tahuna groups. We've got 2 South Otago groups. We've got Queen's High School and King's High School. He waka Fortuia.
Let's go.
We've got St. Hilda's. Is that a second? Oh, we've got Bayfield and we've got Logan Park. So we've got a pretty full roster tonight. That's going to be awesome. You know what? The thing I love about Polyfest the most, particularly when you bring the Pacifica vibes into it, is that it's hard to find pay bill at the supermarket, eh?
Oh, wow.
Tell me about tell me about an experience of yours at Polyfest.
I tell you what, many moons ago, me and Isaiah here, we were on this Polyfest stage as young bucks, many moons ago. And one of my fondest memories was actually King's High School. We went to King's High School. We partnered with Otago Boys High School, which is quite unique because normally you partner with a girls' school. And it was one of the fondest memories that we had, and we actually killed it. It was just those natural harmonies that came out. We just severed to the lights. We brought the house down.
So we're reliving our youth. Okay, I think we're almost ready to go. So hey! Willie, who have we got coming up next?
Ladies and gentlemen, up next, we have Musselburgh School. Put your hands together for Musselburgh. He waka eke noa. He waka eke noa is a passionate and dedicated kapahaka rōpū guided by the leadership and expertise of Andrea Hardy and Mātua Charles. Together they bring a deep commitment to tikanga Māori, waiata, haka, and whakawhanaungatanga. Our Rōpū stands proud in celebrating and upholding the richness of Te Ao Māori through performance, connection, and shared learning. With waka eke noa, we are all in this together, reflects our collective spirit, unity, and support for one another. Every member brings their own strengths, but together we paddle as one. Representing the Musselburgh School, please welcome to the stage, He waka eke noa!
Rōpū. And you know, it's not easy to do the point, know the words, do it up at the same time.
Yes.
Tēnā pai, tēnā koutou katoa.
3 points, 3 points. Awesome, come on in. Kumai ki tēnei whaia, welcome in, those that are coming in. Those that are heading straight out to your car, head out that way. Those that are picking up your kids, head out to the village, right at the centre there. They will be brought up to you. So, for those going to pick up your tamariki, head out that way. For those that are heading home, we'll see you again tomorrow, Nick.
Tomorrow, we're here till Friday, we can see you every day.
Yeah, every day. And you know
Up
this one?
until then.
Oh, yeah. You know what I just noticed actually tonight when I'm trying to make loud noises, all I can seem to do is go, hey! My voice is going,
It
which is
might be
awesome.
our age, it might be our age limit.
It might be our age.
Hey, there's all sorts of stalls happening in that village, and if you haven't been to the village, you are missing out. You are missing out on a huge part of Polyfest. So just for your information, if you haven't heard of Sweet Revelations, they are out here with some sweet fancy desserts for your sweet tooth. The massage, the mini-mini, I'm not sure if she's out there, but someone might give you a mini-mini out there if you ask for one. Te Hauora are doing some community fundraising. The Tongan food store. Well,
Yum.
Tongan food is probably all I need to say, right? It's probably sold out. It's all we've been eating all day. Ka pai mihuru kia rātou. There's also Tānoa Treats and Travel, Laban's Gift Shop, Explore Hawaii Hauora, University of Otago, Brockville Community Connect, Mama Sini's Pantry. I tell you, the kai out here, you'll be glad you came to a Māori and Pacifica Festival.
Yum.
Let me tell you that.
Yeah, that's what I've been looking forward to actually this year, because in previous years we haven't had all the kai like we've got this year, and it's amazing to have the kai. Also, I just want to do a quick shout out. Actually, can you all put your hand in the air like this? Just all put your hand in the air like this. Draw it back like this. And give me a virtual high five. Okay, now turn your hand around like this. And go like that. Virtual high five to our people watching and beaming in on our live stream.
And to all of you on the live stream, can you please let us know where you're streaming in from? Just tap in your wāhi noho i runga i te rororiko. So today we have people streaming in from the Netherlands, from Switzerland, all around Aotearoa. So wherever you are, people on the live stream, we want to know where you are.
I think you join the crowd and you have the ability to write comments. So yeah, let us know where you're from.
Papa, to all of those of you that have just come in, over 100 and something of you we were told, welcome. No mai, ki tō tātou nei ahure. Welcome to our festival. The biggest festival ever in Dunedin every single year. There's no other festival as big as this one. And we're here to celebrate Māori and Pacifica vibrant vibes, culture, language, identity. That's why we're here. That's why these tamariki are here and have spent weeks and weeks, some of them months and months, learning words, learning choreography, learning what they mean. And where you have probably had to pick them up, drop them off, you've probably learned some of the words too at home while they're sitting away getting ready.
No doubt. No doubt your lounge or your kitchen has been filled up, like mine, with either your kids singing or doing hula in the mirror. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. No? Okay. Nobody. Speaking of which, I think we're getting, we're heading over to the Pacific next. So again, we want to keep practicing because we want to join in, we want to encourage. The more energy you give, the more energy our tamariki give on stage. So again, follow me, hey hey! Oh! Okay, when I say hey hey, you say two letters, I was about to say two words, two letters, H and O. Ho. Okay, we're ready. Hey hey! Ho! Hey hey! Ho! Awesome. Okay, this next group, who is here to support Columba College? Yes! This is the second year that Columba has hosted the Pacifica group, which continues to show the breadth and the diversity of the Pacific community at Columba. They are here bringing the vibes, bringing the beats, bringing the colour. Everybody, please put your hands together for Columba College.
Give it up for Columba College. Let's go.
Whoa, Columba.
Come on.
Columba College, Pacific. Yeah. Ho! Ho! I still can't do it.
That was amazing.
I know, shame.
Put a huge shout out to their tutors, Teina Makera, the Cook Island tutor, Pai Uu Taile Pavihi, Samoa tutor, Christina Mualia, uniforms, Belu Taile Pavihi, and Andrew Ruby on communications. I don't know what that was, but part of the team.
Second year, hey, that's amazing.
No, that's amazing. There's something beautiful about coming out when it's just a couple of you, it's a massive stage, massive crowd, so huge shout out to our girls tonight, representing their culture, representing their heritage.
Awesome. Just for those that are coming in, I know we've got about 200 people coming in the doors. If you happen to be heading out and you're heading straight to your car, you can go that way. If you're having to pick up your child, you can go that way. But we encourage you to stay, soak up the vibes. Hey, someone's behind you. Who's behind? Oh. Alright, what else we got?
We've got a little interesting game for you guys this evening.
Yep.
I want you guys to listen up. We're going to go to the islands of Samoa.
Yeah.
Samoa. Okay. I'm going to go to this. We're going to have a little tutorial here. I'm going to go,
Alright, hold on. When you get in zone. I'm ready. Ready.
Everybody, Batia, Low Pati, Totofa, Low Pati Mali Tiger.
Isaiah!
Hey, there's some tigers up here. Hey, we see you. Tiger, Low Pati Mali Tiger. Who do we have next time?
Oh.
You need to hand up. We get him hold up. We get him hold.
Yeah, get hold of my old man river. Alright, next up. You know what? I know what group we've got next up because somewhere over here is somebody I might know, aka my daughter. So, just a huge minute to my daughter. But also to this group here. This is Te Taio Pika, the group for Tahuna. So who is here to support Tahuna? Give it up! Awesome. Well, they've been practicing over the last few weeks, the last wee while, getting ready. Their tutor manual has been prepping them up, and this group, this huge group.
This is an army. We've got an
Looks
army.
like they're ready to go. So, ladies and gentlemen, please find your seat. But for everyone else, please put your hands together for Tahuna Momo.
Let's go!
Oh motu e. Me ngā tingi roi mata e ngā ringi whānui e. Titi roi ngai winga mai o te motu, he ora ake nei e. Nā ruana te whenua, ruana te whenua, whati whati te marana. Aue te aroha te mamai ia aue. Tahuna e, karanga e te iwi e. Kua e ke mai nei, ki a runga te marae e. Mauri a maira, inga mote o te motu e. Me ngā tingi roi mata e ngā ringi whānui e. Titi roi ngai winga mai o te motu, e ora ake nei e. Nā ruana te whenua, ruana te whenua, whati whati te marana. Aue te aroha te mamai ia aue. Aue te aroha te mamai ia aue. Ruana te whenua, whati whati li. taku kura pauna me tuku iho.
Me haro ke ana
Me haro ke ana ki tāna whakari kia ora.
te me meha.
Te me meha te wairua ki te kōrero Māori.
Te me meha.
Te me meha te wairua ki te kōrero Māori. Rio wairu.
Hope, kiraro, hope.
Tita!
Kia ora, let's give it up again for Tahuna. Big shout out to the tutors, Michael Manuel Wehi, Ed Paya, and Christy Carey. Shout out to Tahuna School for giving us space for over 100 kids to come and embrace that Māori culture. It's a beautiful thing to see.
Beautiful, beautiful. Give them another hand, Whānau! Beautiful, Otago and those kai waiata, those singers. There's some potential there. Kia ora koutou.
Just a reminder, if we're leaving, we're just going in this door here. And if you're coming in, we're trying to grab a seat as quickly as possible. Now, my haere mai, if you're coming in for the first time this evening, great to have you join us. We've had a wonderful start to tonight.
Yes, we have. It's been amazing. Don't forget, if you're going out that way, you've got to go through the village. There's no other way out. So kia kaha, grab some kai while you're out there, visit a school, say hello to the many that are not getting. Kia ora. Kia ora.
If you need a cup of tea, if you need a little break, a little time out, you know, through maybe you need to get a great one for one of the aunties, just to get it through the evening. We're here for that. The village.
The village. The village has been set up just over the last few years. We didn't used to have a village. Well, of course, here was the village, the stage was the village, raising all of these tamariki. Here we're growing so rapidly that it just made sense to look after our people in another way out there in the village. We have got a number of people waiting out the back, so if you have to leave, if you really have to leave, you can leave. But if you don't need to leave just yet, sit down, because what is coming up, look at them, amazingly stunning. So if you don't need to leave, have a seat, and you might find time to leave after the Rōpū. Look at them. So just a little bit about the stunning Rōpū here behind me, Te Kapahaka o Iwi Kātia. They want to acknowledge the amazing year that they've had, hard working. They've been at a number of different events, Matariki Parakuhi, Puaka Matariki, Iwi Kātia. Some of them have just started Te Aohaka, NCA Level 1 and 2 for the first time. They have been performing at Clutha District citizenship ceremonies. Mihi whakatau, they've been doing it all, whānau. You've been missing out if you're not down in Iwi Kātia. They want to acknowledge Ms. Tuhenga. Where are you? Back there hiding. Timmy Kuka, a Polyfest old schooler by now. And Mr. Bibi, who have been there for them throughout the year. And we want to make a special mention to Kyla, Kaya, Nala, Jared and Helen, who I understand are students of the Rōpū, who have helped put this performance together. E te iwi! Harere mai te pale! Te kapahako iwi kātia!
E te iwi! O te wati a Matariki! E ngā mate o te wā! Kua rira koutou ki te whare! Hopo o te kawa! Te aho meira! Te whetū! O tā! Erini Melbourne! O neira! E whakamīkia koe te rangatira! No e pipi mai ai! E nei taunga waiata! Erina o te matu! O te nekura! O te nākura! Nō reira! Haere! Haere! Erere te manu! Ara! Ano? Whakairi no ki runga Ia kato e matoki mai ai tēnei wā. O tira, e te ti, e te tā, o te poti. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Ara!
Mai a te iti ka purangi. Rangi, te hea e korike, e hine hoki mai. Te hea e te tanga hoki mai. Koreina hoki mai ra, hoki mai.
Awesome, Pakitaki Maiana! Huge round of applause. We had 3 haka going now. One from Tahuna Intermediate, one from the East Coast. And I think that was the school haka from... Hey, give it up one more time. Te kata haka o Whaikaha. Amazing. You know, Tahuna Intermediate and Waikia, the connection between the two, Takitimu. So that's beautiful, which was mentioned in his Mai Kōrero. But how amazing is that? You know what I could feel as I was going? I could feel the stage rumbling.
I can feel the strength of the ancestors on the stage. I was like, shut up. How many people are up there coming through?
To be honest as well, seeing Timmy Cooper, Walker going hard at the back with his Raku, another name for guitar. I'm surprised he's got more than 2 strings on that. Man, that guy is going hard. Okay, look, coming up still, we still have Tokomairiro, we've still got Columba, we've got Tahuna Pacifica, we've got another South Otago, Rōpū Whaikaha, Queensland, and King's High School, we have one with Katuia, St. Hilda's College, Bayfield High School, and Logan Park High School. We got a full roster still to go.
Hey, my heart, if you've just joined us this evening, we've had a wonderful evening so far. I want everybody to wave at this camera to our online crew. Everybody wave to this camera over here.
Wait, can they see them?
Yeah,
Oh,
he's
he's
like, yeah.
Can this is
Even more wave to Del on the other side.
oh, what?
Just kidding, there's no camera there. Rosie, wave. Unlucky.
There's one up there. I like you.
He would stand up and wave to the back. Yes, sir. Again, if you're leaving, we're just going out to the left here, out into the cold Dunedin winter night.
Oh, exactly. It's cold out. It's cold outside. You might as well stay here. It's beautiful in here. Nowhere else to be. There ain't no place I'd rather be.
Ladies and gentlemen, up next, anyone here from Milton? Let's go! So what is it, the city of the future? What's that? Yeah, you know what when you drive into Milton is. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, up next we have Tokomairiro High School, Te Kapahaka of Tokomairiro. We are proud to welcome the Tokomairiro High School Kapahaka Rōpū back to the Otago Polyfest stage. This Rōpū has more than doubled in size since last year, a fantastic achievement. They have worked hard to prepare a performance that celebrates both Māori culture and the spirit of the Akura. This year, the group has taken inspiration from the renowned Ngai Tūhoi composer Hilda in Melbourne, whose waiata continue to uplift and connect people to both their te ao, tai ao, and te ao Māori. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Tokomairiro High School.
ana e. Te marama i te pō. Piti te marama.
Piti te marama i te pō. Ia hoi ko mai koe.
Hei karu o te mata!
Hei karu o te mata o te pō.
Hei karu o te mata!
Hei karu o te mata o te pō.
rokotuira! Oi rokotuira, no Tokomairiro tātou! Kia toa, kia ka! Kurio, eika! Kisana, kisana, kisare!
Yeah, whakipaki mai ana, give another huge round of applause for the kapahaka of Tokomairiro. Yeah, how cool is that? We got kapa coming from the south. Think back to the origins of Polyfest when it was only done over one afternoon or half day. You know, the origins would have been quite small to find today, but now we've got schools coming from everywhere, which is awesome, amazing.
Awesome. How old were you when the first CNI Polyfest started?
10.
Come on, sorry, put you under the bus there, Eva. No, Rita, thank you for that. 32 years, right? Polyfest has been going. Let's not do the maths on page.
Let's not reverse engineer that.
32 years Polyfest has been going. This week, 11,000 tamariki are taking the stage. That is massive. Give us a round of applause for those 11,000 tamariki. Imagine all the work that's going into that across the city, not just Dunedin, up to Oamaru, down to Balclutha. Mahi is going on across our region, te reo Māori, Pasifika reo, language, culture, identity, it's all happening.
It's all happening and it's all here. And just a quick shout out to those that make us sound good. So to Strawberry Sound, thank you for making us sound good. To the people that make us look good, Southern Lights, I'd ask you to make me look good, but you might turn off the lights and it'll take an hour to turn them back on. So, kia ora Southern Lights, and to the Video Factory, they're the ones that are doing our live stream.
Yes, kia ora live stream, Brisbane, kia ora Brisbane.
Oh, Brisbane.
All the way over in Brisbane,
Yeah.
watching us here tonight. No doubt some of their whānau are in these groups.
Yep. Yes, they are. Hey, before we get into the next group, I did get asked in the back to give a birthday shout out to one of the group members that are coming up on stage. Her name is Tila. Tila, if you are listening to this is a shout out to you, my friend.
Ai, rā whānau. Rā whānau, Tina? That's tikatira?
Yeah.
Ka pai, ka pai. Okay, all of you that have just come into Polyfest for the first time this evening, no mai, tauti mai rā. You must be here to see Te Reo Kōkō, Columba College. Are you here to see? Raise it up, Columba College. Kia ora koutou. They are a whānau united by their love for waiata, their love for the rich Māori culture and the powerful art of kapahaka. Within their rōpū, they have experienced performers and brand new performers that have not been on the stage before. They have a deep pride in their heritage. E te iwi, haruru mai te whare, te reo kōkō!
Hey tirohia, ke whea te taunga. O te titu ai toni, pare pare mai rā, ko e te tiraraka, i te papai o te totara. E nono titaka te tau te mauri. Ka taina mai rai te kokako, ko
Give it up, give another huge round of applause for Te Reo Kōkō, Columba College, Paki mai! Good up! Me karawa atu, te reo o te kōkō, te reo o te tui, anei rā takumi ki a koutou. So this is te reo kōkō, the language or the sound of the kōkō. Another word for kōkō is the tui word. And as you can imagine, as it fills our forests, what a beautiful sound that is. I just got one thing to talk about, you know, as if you're starting to feel what we call the ihi, the wehi, the wana, you're starting to feel encouraged to want to give a haka tautoko to one of the groups as they've come on stage, which is cool, and te pai tēnā, but we want you to all do that at the same time. So if you've got 3 different haka, just throw it out at the same time. Because if the haka tautoko, if you're doing your haka after the performance, is longer than the performance, then we'll be going to bed at midnight tonight. Just a quick thing, this is the 32nd year of Otago Polyfest. 11,000 performers gracing the stage, 176 different Rōpū coming up on stage. This wouldn't be possible without some awesome sponsors and some awesome funders. So what you got there, Willie?
Got a couple of funders, shout out to a couple of our funders making this evening possible, this whole week possible. We've got Creative NZ, we've got Dunedin City Council, DCC, we've got Lotteries New Zealand, and we've got Otago Community Trust. Let's give it up. We'll give it
You
down.
got a plan, then give it up. You got a plan, then give it up. You got to plan it. Alright, do it again. Ready. Give it up.
Let's give it up!
Awesome. So we know we've got about 200 people coming in. So those of you that are coming in, no mai, ara mai, whakatau mai. Welcome to this beautiful evening. There's no place you should be other than right here. Maybe that's McDonald's spot.
Great, have you joined us if you're coming in? There's a nice little breeze coming from that door there. If you're leaving, that's where you go. Get some more breeze in the cold out there this evening.
Yeah. Unless you're picking up your kids, if you're arranged to pick up your kids, it's over there. You have to go through to the village, right in the centre there. They will be waiting for you there. But otherwise, you can head out that way, straight to your car, and we wish you a good night.
Big shout out to our VIP section up there. Let's give them away.
I know, you know what?
VIP.
You know
what there's only 4. There they go.
You know what? Next year, I'm going to be up there. Hopefully, I'm going to be up there. You don't want me on stage. You want me to be up there being a VIP. Yeah? All right. We're going to get ourselves. We're going from Aotearoa. We're going from the space of Aotearoa. We're going to head over to the Pacific. So I want you to, you know what to do, right? Hey, hey! Hey, hey! Tutala mai!
Okay, guys, we can do better than that, okay? Hey, hey! Hey, hey! Tutala mai!
Well, how high did your voice go
Yeah,
there?
there's some high ones there. Some very, very high ones.
Awesome, welcome along. Hey, who's some of our suppliers that we've got? Making us look good, putting the plants down here.
Shout out to some of our suppliers. We've got Strawberry Sound, who have made some incredible stuff down here this evening. I think you can all agree out there the sound is sounding very clear and crispy.
Maybe not me.
The Video Factory, Ribbon Wood, Nurseries, Southern Lights. We'll get back to these later on.
Very good.
Up next, ladies and gentlemen, we have Tahuna Pasifika Performance Group, Salofalava and Kiorana. The Tahuna Pasifika Performance Group are back again this year. Let's give it up.
Yeah.
To celebrate the islands of Samoa and the Cook Islands, taking us back to when Pasifika first started at Tahuna, when it was just Samoan group and Cook Island group. We bring these islands together in a mashup of pride and performance. We'd like to salute one of our Samoan tutors, Sandro Matafa, and the Cook Island tutor, Selena Stau. We're proud to present our bracket to you all time. Let's give it up for Tahuna!
Yeah, let's go cheer! Let's go cheer!
lie right here.
Okay, well, we've got a floor to sweep and mop, and there's a whole lot of people coming in. Don't forget, if you're leaving, you're heading this way. Unless you are picking up your tamariki or going to the village, you are heading that way. But if you don't need to leave, have a seat. We've only got 5 Rōpū left tonight. Are you here to see Logan Park? Woo, woo, woo. Are you here to see South Otago?
Let's go.
What about St. Hilda? Have I? Well, on that happy note, I've just got a wee note for somebody who owns a silver steamer. Silver steamer. Look to your parents, kids, if you know that your parents got a silver steamer with a rego plate H, S for Sam, M for Magnus, 657. Is that you?
That's not yours, Will, is it?
No, let me just text my wife, not you.
Cowboy, a steamer, silver, HSM 657. Your lights are on. You may be walking home. Oh, kia ora koutou.
No more harawai to those joining us this evening. We've had a wonderful night so far. Just a reminder, if you're taking photos, make sure you use the hashtag It Takes a Village. Tag us in your photos online so we can collate some of these beautiful memories from this week.
Welcome to all of you 150 people that are coming in to Otago Polyfest Tēnei Pō. 32nd year, 11,000 tamariki taking the stage this week. 50 years, Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori. Starts on the 14th, but we thought we'd start it now, why not? We shared the book at the marae today, if anybody's heard about that book. We might read it again tomorrow. Heoi! I think we're ready to roll.
There's plenty of room over here.
Let's move along, let's move along. Who here's from Balclutha? I said, who's here from Balclutha? Let's go. Up next, we have the South Otago Bussy Speaker Group.
That's my
Tama Palava, this is the first time ever at South Otago High School, which had a Pacific Island group perform at the Polyfest. Give it up! Woo! That's big. Awesome. People may not know, but there are hundreds of Samoans living in Balclutha. There's 4 Samoan churches. Plenty of whālaulaka going on over there. We also have a small Fiji and Kiribati community living in Balclutha. This year has been a significant year for our Pasifika students. At South Otago High School, we're able to establish a tupulanga class for our Pacific Island students. We are grateful for this opportunity and want to thank Salo, Ms. Tuhenga, our new Deputy Principal, and Ms. Penn for everything you have done. We have a special guest with us this evening, Loa Fionga Vai, who will share a little bit about this culture.
Sunga ia weli ia a whātalo whātu le pa ia maulunga le whia. Ia mai lava maulunga tele se pa ia maunga iti. Ia whāwhkai lea kua le tāko au ia le whamoemoe sa whawau au pō. Ia le nei tūrā, ia a mata le mātou whawhiawhianga le whad. Ia so mai mātou māuun, ia on whāhiku mai lea le mātou taulunga. E mai e se tanga mānu o le tupulanga le nei o taku saute, Fia atu. Yeah, to Fatashima. Oh, hands together for South. Let's give it up!
Oh,
Yeah, paki mai, give it up again. Awesome, give it another huge round of applause. South Otago High School, bringing the beats, the sun, the Pacific vibes, and the oil. Hey, we're getting the use out of our station today, this year.
Here we go.
Here we go. Welcome to those that are coming in.
We only have a few groups left coming up tonight, Mum.
Yeah.
Hopefully, you're all staying in your seats for the
Settle in.
3 to 4 Rōpū that we have coming up. Just going to do a little bit of house cleaning up on our atamere so that nobody falls over. So while we're up here, just a reminder, Otago Polyfest has been here for 32 years. Started as half a day at D&I back when I was a younger fella. Then moved to Teachers College Auditorium. Then moved to the Regent Theatre. And has been here at the Eke Centre since 2008. So big mini up to the Eke Centre group. We continue to provide the manaakitanga and the guidance for this massive operation to be here. 11,000 tamariki across the stage from Monday night, Tuesday day, Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, Wednesday night, Thursday day, Thursday night, and all day Friday.
Your voice will be gone by then.
My students might like that.
You know, one thing I do like about Bayfield, you see that? Ooh yeah, ooh yeah.
Smooth. But are you as smooth as he waka kotui a tākere?
Hey, probably not.
Who says he waka kotui a tākere? Come on, they are right behind us. Here they come. Ki te kore he tākere. Ki tō waka. Kaore o waka. Ki te kore he tākere. Kaore a he waka kotuia. Ko te tākere, te wāhaka whakahina o te waka. Ki a he waka kotuia. Ko te tākere, te wāhi koi koia. Te wāhi whakapakari. I ngā kaihaka.
How about the hot already?
Oh, they haven't even started. Kapai.
Wow.
Don't forget, whānau. One haka tautoko. At the same time. Kapai, this is the waka kutuia tākere. If the waka doesn't have a hole, it doesn't have a waka. If the waka kutuia tākere doesn't exist, there is no he waka kutuia. Anei ngā kaihaka, hei whakapakare. Nā ranga e te iwi haruru mai te whare!
Peace.
Katsu, Tatsu, Tatsu,
Waki, waki, waki.
Oh, yeah. Hey, yo.
What a performance, powerful performance. Shout out to the tuners, Jane, Alicia, Mihi, Nirida, Harmony, Pickering Birch, Archibald, Ratana, and Tuki. Big shout out. A lot of those tuners actually from the Tuakana group. It's always awesome to see our tamariki teaching our tamariki, and that's how we're going to grow our culture. It's a beautiful thing.
Awesome. We've got 3 groups to go, people, so just settle in. 3 groups to go. We're almost at that. We're at the home stretch. We're almost there. 3 amazing groups to go that need your voice. You know why I've been standing beside you all night, Willie? It's because we've got the live stream up there. And if we stand too close, they only get the top of your head, and I'm going to be half cut off because how tall you are. Anyway, coming up next, anybody here to support St. Hilda's Collegiate? Awesome! Let's give it up. St. Hilda's are here to tie their performance to the mana whenua of here. They embrace their Māori culture and looking to just give it all up on the stage. Their tutors, Bianca, Ripaka, Paul, and Caden have been showing them the way for the year. Everybody please give a huge round of applause. Let's give it up for St. Hilda's.
Mano,
Give it up to Te Kura o Rōpū. We're going to have a little bit of maintenance. Give it up for our maintenance crew here. Plenty to do here, plenty to do here. Just want to shout out to the tutors, Bianca, Rebecca, Paul Elwood, and Caden Perry.
You know, there's some of the tutors of these Rōpū are still students themselves, or have only just left high school in the last few days. So just, I think a big shout out to all of those kaihaka who have grown up in Polyfest, grown up in their kura, and now they're tutoring their schools again.
Yeah, let's give it up, let's give it up.
No, te paki paki! Also, a lot of the students that are performing this year will be year 13 students. This will be the last year that they stand at Polyfest.
Yeah.
Did you stand as year 13?
Yes, still year 13, but we actually called them Form 7 back in the day. For those of us that know they Form 7, let's go Form 7. I have to do the calculations nowadays with my kids. Like, yes, 6, okay, so that's carry the 2 plus the 7. Yeah.
Standard 4.
It's not a standard 4. You're on standard 4 days.
Yeah, standard 4. Hey, who's here to see Bayfield High School?
Let's go!
They've been working hard out getting ready for this Polyfest. And their bracket focuses on colonisation and its lasting effects. They want to acknowledge and thank Te Anahira, Morgan, Sam and Mia for composing and teaching them such beautiful waiata that carry their kaupapa with pride. The group is led by Tiari and Sam with strong support from Mia and Sam Crawford. They want to acknowledge Andrea Harding with special assistance from Shay Arekatera, who's been on the stage how many times I don't know. Ngā mihi nui ki ngā kaihaka, me o rātou mātua mo te kaha, te manawa nui ki te tautoko i a rātou. E te iwi haruru mai te whare, Bayfield!
Let's go!
tukana whana pae tuana te kawa hei te tahi tino kai pawe te kai hanu te ika whiro te tangatu moana.
Hope, kia rite. Haere mai ki aha, ki mani a poto e.
Haere mai ki ngā herenga, ki te moe ngā pukeroa. Ko taku raurau iti a haere, maringi kai whenua. Ko taku raurau iti a haere, maringi kai moana. Haere mai ki ahau, ki mani a poto e.
Te torohanga.
Te torohanga te whenua, te torohanga o ngā ringa. Ka whakahua mai ngā kururuhi, i ngā kukoro heke. Mai te awa! Mai te awa whakarite ki Tokomairiro, te nehe nui e. Haere mai ki ahau, ki mani a poto e. Haere mai ki ahau, ki mani a poto e. Ahi!
Kia rite.
Ko ngā tangata e noho ana nei, i te taone o te poti e. Ko ngā tangata e noho ana nei, i te taone o te poti e. Whakarongo mai rā, whakarongo mai rā, whakarongo mai ki te koerai. Kaurai, koe i te taone nei, ngā hua o te mahina ngā ringa tipuna. O parihaka, kaurai, koe i te taone nei, ngā hua o te mahina ngā ringa tipuna. O parihaka, ko te kawana tonga, te tangi whai, mapere ne tipuna. E kāna te taone o te poti, he ahai, he mauhere. Nā te taha o ngā tipuna ki te tū, whakari ngā rapatu o tō rātou whenua.
Hope!
Hei wi mauko, hei wi whakato, hei wi rongi mari e. Kaurai, koe i te ane nei, ngā hua e te rongi mari e. O parihaka.
Tukua. Inima, inoho.
E ngā manana reo o nā kāranga tāma. Tā wharu te amai te manu o nā tupuna. Tiki nā te mauri o te whenua. Tiki nā te mauri o te iwi. Tiki nā te mauri o te riri. Atua, ke tu, ka, atu, toa. Atua, ke tu, ka, atu, toa. E ngā uri o ka tupuna. Amarongo
Kia rite.
Give it up for Bayfield!
Oh yeah!
What performance! Wow.
Emiliana kia koutou, Emiliana kia koe e tō, ngau tō haka. Ia kia kina a tēnei o ngā whainare e Emiliana tū, kia koe. So huge mihi to our young fellow over there, our koro who just shook the whare, as well as to our group up there.
What a haunting performance. That was awesome.
Awesome. We're coming towards the last performance of our night.
You guys ready for this?
We are ready for the last performance of our night. Awesome. This group Logan Park High School, te kapua te raki. Ko ngā mihi e rua, kei roto i te kore o nei, ko te mihi tuatahi, they've got two acknowledgements in here. The first acknowledgement is to ngā haiarahi, rātou i poi, o te kaho te poi ki a rātou. So the leaders that have really encouraged this group over the year that has been, me te mihi atu ki te Queenie Māori te Ariki Nui, ngā waihono i te pō, e kia nei te kōrero mō te rā, rire, pai marire ki a koutou, ki a tātou, nō reira. Everybody, please give the last huge round of applause for Logan Park High School, te kapua o te raki.
Mare kura, ka whatu kura, nā kuru pauramu. E mutu ngā kore anō mātou aroha ki a koutou katoa. O nei mātou te kapua te raki. E mihi ana mō koutou manunui, o koutou manaki tama, kia mātou te whānau. Nō reirei ngā mai aroha, tēnā koutou katoa.
Ohia manoa, muri muri aroha, kei a kura e. Nā te oranga tangara te kurauna, nau hoki te ara whakamua I whaia. Mai te oro I ngā kiri āhua. Kiri āhua. Ka waihana te ātatau i te ao mō tūhake. Ka tūranga ti ātatai kia tūturu ai te tū. Ka whia tataku tino ranga tiratanga e. Koe tēnei, ko koe tēnā, ko tātou e nei, e tūhātu nei. He tono hiki te aera mona he lauri, te mana hau te tūkoripi. He aroha papako, he aroha puta mai, te kawarawa tātou, he tūkare tau ai. He kātano ai, he kātano ai, uroku tūpuna, me tūmata iti, taku mata ue. Taku tati, taku tati, nāri mana moti hake. Tati he mauri ora. Koia! Koe karite! Mini mini mai!
kia. Nongara. Oh, korongo, korongo, korongo,
Awesome, let's give it up one more time. Logan Park! Kua tō tēnā mo te pōnei popo ka whiti mai anō. The sun is set on the kaupapa for tonight, but tomorrow it will rise again. How are you all feeling?
it will rise again. Don't forget to come back tomorrow night. Otago boys, Pacifica. Kings, Pacifica. Queens, Pacifica.
Big night, big night.
Well, from us to you all, kia haumaru te haere, safe travels back to your homes, back to your kainga, and a huge mihi from us all to you.
Yes, have a safe night home. Don't forget, here's your exit. Or you're out to the village and around the other way.
A long way.
Ka pai. Ngā mihi, po mari e koutou. Thank you.
Pomani.
Thank you.
DJ, hit the song, come on,
Tēnā.
DJ.